Not only should you learn how to weld, you should learn how to weld at the Goodwill Academy. Hello family, my name is Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, and I am your welding coach at the Goodwill Academy off of Scott Hamilton Drive in Little Rock, Arkansas. And this program is 16 weeks. 16 weeks, you can pick the AM or the PM. If you're paying out of pocket, it's approximately $37.75 with a $100 deposit to get into the program. In this program, they buy your PPE and they also set you up and sign you up for your OSHA 10, and they help you with job placement and building your resume. I think it's a no-brainer because you have a coach that is passionate about what he believes in, and he has actually did everything that he's going to teach you. So everything that I'm gonna teach you in the booth, I'm gonna actually show you in the booth as well. I have done it, I have traveled, so I can be able to give you some insight and really help you fine tune this new career you're actually about to start building. So what makes it so wonderful to be at the Goodwill Academy Welding School? I'm gonna tell you what makes it so wonderful. In a small setting, at 16 weeks, you can fast track your life. Most big companies are gonna charge you a whole lot more for a 16-week program. Most of the time, you're gonna be out of 10 to 15 to 25,000 to get some actually good welding education, but at the Goodwill Academy, you're actually getting it for under $3,800. And I've already had students that went from a minimum wage up to $20 an hour. That can change your life, family. It's a life changer. And you can get better and better on the job. So you can start small and you can build and build. But you got to get started, family. There's no way we can reinvent the wheel because it's already been rolling. So if you want to get signed up, check out the Goodwill Academy. Give us a call. See if you can get signed up. See if it's availabilities. Our goal is to have a waiting list. So we want you on that waiting list. Hold on.